Is your vision getting blurry, seeing halos around lights, experiencing eye pain, or even headaches? These could be early signs of glaucoma, a serious condition that could sneak up on you. But don't worry, we're going to tackle these symptoms head-on and protect your vision for the future. Hi everyone, Doctor. Alien here, beaming in from another world to share some out-of-this-world advice on eye health. Today, we're focusing on Cosopt eye drops, a powerful tool in managing glaucoma. But before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what glaucoma is. Glaucoma is like having extra pressure inside your eye. Imagine your eye as a tiny balloon. Too much pressure can damage the optic nerve, potentially leading to vision loss. Cosopt eye drops is a combination of timolol and dorzolamide, helps to reduce that pressure and protect your vision by reducing the fluid buildup inside the eye. Before using Cosopt, let's check a few things to ensure it's the right fit for you. If you have asthma, Cosopt is a no-go. It could make breathing more difficult. Are you on any regular medications? Check with your doctor to ensure there are no interactions. Allergic to penicillin? No worries. Cosopt won't interfere with that. Never used eye drops before? Stick around, I'll show you the ropes. And if you wear soft contact lenses, be sure to take them out before using Cosopt. Wait at least 15 minutes before putting them back in. Now, let's get into how to properly use these drops, step by step. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Clean your hands. Remember, washing your hands is key, because we don't want any space germs getting into your eyes. Step 2. Tilt your head back. Look up to the sky and gently pull down your lower eyelid, making a little pocket for the drop. Step 3. Hold the bottle above your eye. Don't touch the eye, though, and squeeze one drop into the pocket. One drop is all it takes, and I promise, no need to squeeze in more. Remember to dispose of. After 28 days, it's time for a fresh bottle, just like swapping out your spaceship's fuel for a fresh supply. As with any medication, Cosopt can cause a few side effects. These may include a mild stinging or burning sensation when you use the drops, an unusual taste in your mouth. Don't worry, you're not turning into an alien. Eye pain, itching or irritation, dry or red eyes. If these side effects get too intense or don't go away, it's time to call your doctor. That's all you need to know about Cosopt and how to use it properly. If you want more tips on how to correctly use your medications and stay on top of your health, be sure to check out more videos with Dr. Alien. Your health deserves out-of-this-world care, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Click on the next video and let's keep your health journey going.